drives. Hydraulic drives are relatively easy to maintain and also have high payload capacity. However, they are expensive and not as accurate as electric or pneumatic drives. Okay? So, these hydraulic drives are also will be used. Okay, hydraulic drives also will be used with high payload capacity, and these are used in limited areas because accuracy of the component will be disturbed. Okay. So, compared to electric drives, it will not performing that much accuracy. Okay. Now, let us see pneumatic drives. Definition of pneumatic. These are expensive, fast and reliable, but they are limited to smaller payloads. Okay. So, pneumatic drives are very fast and reliable, but they are limited to smaller payloads. Okay. So, if it is a smaller payload, then we can go for pneumatic drives. Now, let us see the robot capabilities. Excellent repeatability. Okay. So, positional tolerance is permitted in sending the robot arm back to previously taught in its work envelope. High speed operation. Operation can be performed with high speed in case of a industrial robot. This is the good capability of a industrial robot. Straight line accuracy. Positional tolerance permitted in sending a robot to a newly taught point defined in the Cartesian plane by its Cartesian coordinates. Okay. Another capability of robot is large payload. The amount of weight that the robot arm can carry, it includes the weight of the end effector. Okay. So, large payload means the capability of robot arm that it carries the load at the end of its arm. Okay. It includes the weight of the end effector. Okay. Increased work envelope. All the points in space that the robot arm and the end effector can reach. Okay. So, increased envelope will be there, all the robots, okay, robot arm and also end effector can reach. Rugged construction. The arm and the different joints should be rigid to achieve accuracy, speed and other characteristics. So, robot arm should be built very strongly because it should carry the various range of loads. Okay. Suppose the same operation, if it is performed by the human labor, means there will be having certain limitations. Okay. Now, let us see the classification of robots. Okay. In this session, we just briefly classify the robots. According to the type of control, we can classify the robot. According to the capacity, according to the configuration, according to manipulation function. Okay. So, we briefly classify one by one. According to the type of control, we can classify the robots as point-to-point robots, continuous point robots, computer trajectory robots, servo controlled robots. Another classification of robot is according to the capacity, that is payload capacity. Okay. So, sequence controlled robots, adaptive robots and intelligent robots. So, these are the three classifications of according to the capacity. Now, let us classify according to the configuration. Okay. According to the configuration, robot can be classified as Cartesian robot, cylindrical robot, spherical robot, articulated robot. Okay. Another classification according to manipulation function, pick and place robots, special purpose robots, universal robots. Okay. So, these are the some Cartesian robot, this one. Okay. Some sample diagrams of various robots. Cartesian robot, this is cylindrical robot, spherical robot, articulated robot, and this is a SCARA robot. Okay. So far in this session we have learned definition of robot, definition of industrial robot, constructional details of robot, basic requirements of robot, need for robot, and we have shown some animations also. Okay. And I have given some sample diagrams of different types of robots. Okay. In the next session, we discuss in detail of these various classifications of robot. Thank you.